Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to check ChatGPT updates on PC or desktop. So, OpenAI regularly releases updates for ChatGPT desktop app, and these updates can add few features, improve performance, fix bugs and make app more smoother. If you are not seeing the feature that other people already have, one of the first thing you should do is to check whether you are using the latest version of the app or not. And the good thing is ChatGPT includes a built-in option to lets you quickly check for updates without having to download it again. So to check it, first open ChatGPT desktop app and then click on the ChatGPT button in the menu bar. After that choose settings, or from here also you can check for updates. But if in your Mac or Windows, if you can't find this option, then go to settings, and here if you scroll a bit you can see check for updates option in apps category. So click on it and it will start checking. If any update available, you can see a update button. Just by clicking on that, you can update ChatGPT instantly. As you can see here, my ChatGPT app is up to date, so I have nothing to do. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.